Here, and today we're gonna recording Hurricane Irma. Look at this flood. Oh my.
The river is straight up full.
Yo. Sorry for the cussing. Oh my god. Hurricane Irma. Hurricane Irma is so bad. Look, the rivers are flooded.
I don't see. This is the first time I've ever seen a flood like this.
Yo, that's my good friend Whitey Trap.
Peace.
That's a river.
Dang.
Oh my
No
god.
more flood. This river. Look, the tree fell down.
Where?
Over here.
Oh, there goes tree. Well, there goes
Tree
the
fell down.
That shit really hit.
Look at this flood.
Holy smokes!
Dang, man.
What
Yo,
a storm!
how bad this storm is, and they've been talking about it a lot.
Fucking crazy.
Oh my god. Wow.
There's just water everywhere.
This water could damage your car. Damn, I never seen the flood. Look at the lakes. I never seen them shit cross over.
Crazy. But, okay.
4311. Irma, be nice.
Irma, nice.
Any more flood?
Gas
No.
station, gas, at least. I got gas. Nigga, you trying to go down BBL? Are you serious?
I'm
On a bike.
I'm more nervous of what our house looks like.
All our service is fine.
Yo, this is crazy. Thanks for doing this. Ready? Another face
She
review.
didn't do damage. Charlie
Face
fucked up
review.
before. Yeah? Charlie had this. So you were here for